What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm heading on over to the homie Ryan's house. I'm not 100% sure exactly what the agenda is going to be. If we're going to button up the audio before I can get the radio switched over, or if we're going to do the rotors today. Not exactly sure yet. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over there, and we'll see. Alright, so I made it here. And looks like we're gonna tackle the rotors first. Always gotta come take a good look at it. I'll make sure to follow the homie. He just hooked up another one of the homies, Gavin, hooked up his Altima with the underglow and the star headliner. So definitely, if you guys are in the Central Florida area, or even a little further and you're willing to travel, definitely go ahead and hit him up, because he'll definitely get you right. But getting the rotors right now, I went with the black ones. They're actually for a G35, but they fit. They didn't have black for just the Altima, so figured I'd do that and get to keep that color. Okay, so yeah. This is just about done here. So we basically got one side done. Drilled and slotted. Last time I had, with my last Altima, I just got the slotted ones. But this time I decided to go with the drilled and slotted. Here are the stock ones. Now when it comes to the actual color, reason I kind of wanted to go with black is it kind of helps keep this from rusting over as easily. See that? Can't really see it as much when it's black there. This around there is actually going to kind of shave off, so when that happens, it's going to kind of just look a little machine. So sheesh, sorry about that. Remote start. But let me show you kind of what I mean. It will start to look more like this. And you see how bright his is on the center? Mine is going to stay black on that side. Because as bright as his is, that's how the whole rotor was for his. So, he didn't get the black ones. But yeah, that was the other color that they offered. So decided to try this one out. I haven't had a black set before, so we'll see how that kind of goes. Alright, so this is the next day. Kind of ran out of daylight, but they are installed. And like I was saying, the top coat of the black is coming off, but the inside is staying black. And this is probably going to be the last time you guys see these wheels on the car. Just in time. Got the rotors done just in time. But yeah, these wheels got a new home. So that's probably going to be the next video. So definitely stay tuned. I'll go more detail on that. But yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I know it's a quick, short little video. Working on the actual roof spoiler. I got it painted now. I just need to get. And of course it rains after I put it on. I mean, it's been on for a few hours, but of course. Honestly, I am not sure which video this is gonna go to. But yeah, I'm about to head over to the homie Ryan's house. I don't know if we're gonna do anything to the car today. I'm still waiting for a few parts and stuff to come in. And if you haven't seen, I sold my wheels. Link will be in the description to that video. Also, shout out to Speed Culture Studios for the sticker. Check him out. Link will be the description for his channel as well. But yeah, about to head on over to Ryan's. I think I might get the adapter so I can hook up my system again, because with my factory radio that I'm back on, I don't have my amp and everything hooked up. So that might be something we do while I'm over there, but just hanging out with the homie today. So if anything happens, we'll go ahead, I'll record that as well. Alright, just made it here. About to run with him to the store real quick. So just dropping my car off, because I ain't really trying to be driving this if I ain't got to. Need some new wheels. Alright, so yeah, while we was out, ended up picking up the converter. So I'll go ahead and get this thrown in. That way I can get my music back. What's up, Kiwi? So it don't look too bad. It ain't looking too bad over there. Well, look like we did start doing some stuff to the car after all. Got it up and running, so the system's back up. We just gotta make sure it's on the right fuse so it turns off and everything. And time to get another one of these, because you can't even make out what it is, barely. Got it from Wish for a couple dollars, so I ain't really tripping over it. Let me see how this side looks. That's a lot better. But then again, that door is hardly open compared to the other one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.